After your salmon is brine, hit it with the blackened seasoning. Made my own seasoning. Make sure the skin side is up. Then you want to hit it with your blackened cream cheese with the onions and everything in it, spinach. Then you want to roll that up. Once you get it rolled up, cut the little excess off the edge. And then cut it in 1-inch strips. After you get it cut in 1-inch strips, then you want to season it again with the blackened seasoning. Then into the smoker it go. Ready to go. Going in the smoker. If this ain't beauty, then I don't know then. Look at that flaky flake. With the blackened cream cheese. Yes, Lord.